Get the power on your topspin. The backspin has no friction. You can't lift it up. Your mass cannot create friction after the collision. It's impossible to generate friction without a prior impact. It won't allow you to sidestep. You can't unleash this kind of power. You're being a bit sneaky right now. Exactly, the force isn't penetrating. You need to pull it through for it to work. You see, it's this kind of feeling. Look at my stance. I move from here. So that's how you are. You see, after you finish brushing, it looks like this. Move diagonally back, diagonally back. Go back diagonally. Wrap around diagonally and rush forward. Try not to rush straight in. Let me demonstrate this on you. It's alright, it's like this. It's this angle. Isn't this completed? It must be this distance. This distance isn't right, see? This one isn't effective. This one is good. This semicircle is good. In the final shot, don't move forward like that. Once it's done, it's over. The reason your shot lacks sound is that you haven't executed it fully. I know your issue with not fully executing the shot. You should be able to do this. Your current arc is like this. That's not quite right, it should be a bit better. You're doing it like this. You need to do it like this. Try it out, right? Push, push, push. Friction, add, spin. After your legs are done, your old stance isn't right. Hey, sometimes you get like this when you age. This isn't a personal training session. Open up normally. Step back, this position is good. Can you charge it affordably? Okay, okay. I want to practice my gold medal technique. Look at yourself over there. The direction you're applying force is like Look at me after I pull. I'll show you. You're positioned here. It's hard to generate You need to attack. Do you see that after I finish the video, the angle is a bit wider? No, you need to keep it here. This is the point, not that. But it's better now. You understand this arc. It's just a bit improved. Just now, it hit the net. I didn't expect this move.
而不是
This acceleration is all about hitting with that speed. The speed isn't consistent, but the body feels much better. Forearm acceleration. You can't expect to improve in just 1 or 2 days. First, you should use your body to feel the pattern of force application. You can't rely solely on your hands. I pulled the ball with my hands, but I also rotate. It's not that it's completely inaccurate. Some people pull the ball with their hands leading from their waist. Some people pull the ball with their waist leading the curve. I might pull the ball with my hands leading from my waist. That's how it goes. Did I not tell you? Just aim for that, it's fine. Fine, fine. Just create some friction. The most important issue for you, I will take a look. When he comes over, I'll ask what was said just now. You need to generate power to create a strong push. To have a curve, you must have friction. Just pushing is equivalent to a collision. If you push like this, there's no spin. Spin and rhythm are always the top priorities in table tennis. How can you have rhythm without spin? Do you have rhythm? Is this rhythm effective? Is this rhythm effective? It doesn't have any spin, it's useless. Everyone, please take a moment to calm down. So some people hit the ball without understanding the details here. Did I just say that to you? In this situation, you need to unleash your power. You need to possess this skill. It's a bit excessive, just a strain, it's okay. Exactly, you didn't apply any force at all. Why is the speed high if you didn't apply force? Basically, there's no drop on the ball when you make contact. It's acceleration from friction, not from impact. Acceleration from impact can't create a backspin. No matter how fast you are, it won't work. You see, you can't use the power ball, so it's naturally fast. Use your body a bit more.
脱了吧？对，对，对。
If you push him, it won't create backspin.
下旋你
You have no friction, it's impossible to lift it. And your mass can't create friction after contact for the spin. It's impossible without making contact first and then having friction. It must be friction first, then contact.
对啊，
You pull the ball like this. The backspin is applied before the contact.
对啊，对啊。
There is no guarantee for your contact. You've got insurance for the spin.
下课。
Feel this sensation. You really need to feel this sensation. Today it feels clear. It's really good in the end.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.